This morning we're at the Longitude Explorer Prize Semi-finalist event, and we're really excited to meet our 60 semi-finalist teams for the first time. The Longitude Explorer Prize is a challenge prize that's available to 11 to 16-year-olds across the UK, and every prize we challenge them to come up with an idea that uses technology for social good to make the world around them a better place. This year's theme is artificial intelligence, and we're really excited by what the teams have come up with this time.
I think it's important for people my age to get involved in AI because, to be honest, AI is the future. You can see it's growing already, it's coming into everyday life. In fact, it's coming in ways we're not even thinking about it. You know, it's being used to infer many different things about us, and so having an understanding of it is really important because actually that aspect of coding, machine learning, AI is going to be used in lots of different places, lots of different jobs in the future.
If we get any further than the semi-finals, our project could take off and it will really help a lot of younger children express themselves.
We get to meet lots of new people who know a lot more things than we do, and we can learn from them, and we can enhance our skills to move further in the future.
The Longitude Explorer Prize is a really important feature for young people today because there's such consumers of technology that they should be the ones coming up with ideas and solutions to help societies use technology better and for good.
It's been a fantastic day meeting our semi-finalists for the Longitude Explorer Prize, and I can't wait to see what they do next.
We always tell children that, look, if you try your hardest, you're the future, you can change the world, and this is something very real for them, that they feel they can apply their skills and see something, an end goal that realises that dream.